Engine's kind of dirty, but air filter replacement. I got this STP SA9113 for this 2004 Subaru Forester. Right. So what you gotta do is I went ahead and undid this bolt and this bolt. Then I snapped these clips. There's 1, 2, 3. Right. And then you just pull it back. It should yield enough space to go ahead and remove the air filter from here. All right. I also went ahead and undid the air baffle here, just to give me some more play. Right. So you get the idea. It looks pretty dirty. Yep. There's at least 10,000 miles on this one. So, time for the new. Out with the old. I was considering doing a K&N filter, but I don't know. It's like 50, 60 bucks, and these are only like fucking $4 or some shit. So, this is the new one. Oh, this is pretty good. It's got a aluminum I don't know, what is that? It looks a whole lot stiffer than this one. This one is bendable. This one's kind of stiff at the edge, but see the difference? Yep. Filter went in like butter. So you really don't need to take these bolts out. Well, actually you do. At least this one, because this one is what frees the back part, and this is what swivels. There's 2 notches in the bottom that catch with this bottom base. Make sure you hook them in so that they can, you can bring this upper part forward and then clip the top to the front case, right?